And the city of Round Rock is still recovering after tornadoes hit the city 2 weeks ago. Our lovely Yvonne Nava is at Del Diamond this morning, and the Round Rock Express is giving back to the community on opening day. Yvonne, this is just so important to keep this community close to their hearts.
Definitely, most definitely. You know, sports has a history, Hannah, of lifting us up, bringing people together during the hardest times. And today, the Round Rock Express will host a tornado relief fundraiser to help people who had their homes damaged by those tornadoes recently. Joining me now, we have Team President Chris Almendarez. I know it's going to be a very long day for you, so thank you so much for making it out here tonight.
Well, thanks for having me. This is always the excitement of opening day and coming out. And, you know, look, one of the things that's great about Del Diamond, the Round Rock Express, is when something happens in our community, we're the first to stand up. And so, you know, we partnered with the mayor and the Round Rock Foundation, and you know, part of the proceeds of the tickets today will go towards the tornado relief, and it's using the hashtag Round Rock Strong code. That's
so easy. That's how people can pitch in tonight, right? I think that's fantastic. You know, this will be the team's second season back with the Rangers. How's that partnership going?
You know, it's good. One of the things, you know, this is my 13th year with the team, and so the first 10 years were with the Rangers, so we had a great relationship with those guys. Major League Baseball came in and kind of changed the way that they're looking at minor leagues, and they put us back, basically assigned us back with the Rangers. So we're excited. John Daniels and the guys that we work with, Josh Bonifay is our new farm director, so looking forward to working with these guys and seeing the players they're going to bring to Del Diamond.
Oh, that's awesome. And you know, baseball runs deep in your family. I mean, you're a proud papa. Let's talk a little bit just about your son.
You know, Chase worked for us the last 3 years after he graduated. He played at Round Rock High School, but now he's the head baseball coach at Houston-Tillotson University. And it's fun. They're actually playing here Saturday, April 16th. We're going to host their Houston-Tillotson Senior Day here. So
very cool.
We're excited for that. But yeah, definitely a proud pop.
And you know, this season, what else are you most excited for? There's just so much for the fans. There's so much for families to enjoy. What kind of attractions can we look forward to?
I think just getting back out and playing baseball. You know, this is the first time in a couple years that it's, you know, the season is, we're going to get a full season, and they've actually extended the season by 5 extra home games. So look, we're going to go deep into September, and you know, just looking around, we've got some new things here at Del Diamond. We got our Boxcar Terrace, was kind of a party area for social space and for folks to come out, and then Cork and Barrel, we've got some new restaurants. It's just going to be fun. I think when people walk into Del Diamond, one of the things they can expect is just going to be a great time and great baseball.
Oh, no doubt, it always is. And speaking of the players, Cole Winn is pitching, Sam Huff, catcher, considered 2 of the Rangers' top prospects. What's that going to be like, having them as part of the team?
I think it starts with the Rangers. You know, a lot of the guys that they signed this year, a lot of the, you know, Corey Seager and some of the top talent, it kind of trickles down to us. So when you get guys like Cole Winn and Sam Huff and some of these kids, it's an opportunity to watch them play, grow in front of our eyes, and then look, Yvonne, one of the best things about my job is when those kids get the call up to the big leagues.
Yeah.
And so on those days, I'm not the guy that makes the decision, but I'm the guy that gets to get the email. And so a lot of those days, I want to make sure I'm in the clubhouse when the coach, you know, says, "Hey, you're going to the big leagues."
Yeah, you knew them when, right?
Exactly.
That's
exactly.
fantastic. Well, I know that you're excited. I know you have a lot going on, but we appreciate your time this morning.
Look, thank you guys, and we appreciate everybody all support, and look forward to opening Del Diamond at 7:05 and playing some baseball.
All right, Chris Almendarez, president here at the Del Diamond of the Round Rock Express. Thank you so much. You know, we talked about that tornado relief. That's tonight. So again, proceeds from tonight's tickets will go towards helping those victims. But we also have 15 theme nights, and theme nights is something that I know I really look forward to each and every year. I mean, we're talking about a list here on your screen of the theme nights. There's a 90s night, an 80s night, STEM for All Day, and Education Day. And April 23rd is Austin Black Senators Night. So